What's up, guys? You want to make a splash into the summer? We got all different types of watercraft up here, ranging from a Sea-Doo Spark Tricks all the way to the top of the line. DTX Limited comes with 300 horsepower. You can rip all day on the water. Moving along, we have something like the Wake 170. Get you out there on the water doing whatever you would like. We got the baddest machine right here, GTR X. Got 300 horsepower supercharged. You can rip around the water on the lake, even in the ocean. We also have single and double trailers available, so whatever unit you pick out, we can throw it on a trailer for you and get you right out to the lake. So if you're looking for a great summer, come check us out at Arlington Motorsports, or check out our website at arlingtonmotorsports.com, or come see us, check out the showroom at 2501 Centennial Drive here in Arlington, Texas.